Opay investments. Okay, in this video I'll be showing you how to invest your money on the Opay app and make returns like interest daily, monthly, or even yearly, like annually. So when you log into your Opay app like I've done, go to where it said finance at the bottom of the page. I click on finance and it will show you a page that looks like this, where you see wallet balance, Owealth, you see target, save box, fixed, savings report, and spend and save. What this means is you can save your money on the Opay app, invest your money, and make returns on it every time. So let's click on target and see what this means. When you put your money on the target, when you click on the target, it's going to show you if you're targeting a goal, like select a target goal for your accommodation, for education, for business, for events, for appliances, for emergencies, travel, and others. This means you can schedule or target any amount of money you want to save on your accommodation, amount of money you want to save on your education, the amount of money you want to save on your businesses, or money for events, money for appliances, for emergencies that happen, or for travel, or any other thing you want to save money on. So you can click on any of these things and save money for each of these things, so that anytime you have any of these needs, you can go directly to that place and withdraw your money. And the good thing about this is you can, any money you save in any of these accounts, you're going to be getting daily returns, monthly returns, or even yearly returns of any amount of money you save in these things. So if you have accommodation, maybe you're renting house, or education, you're schooling, you can save your money. You can target the amount of money you want to spend in your education for so number of days or months or years, and save it in your education target on here on Opay. So let's check what it looks like when you click on one of these, accommodation for example. I click on accommodation and look at what it says. Save towards acquiring a home or paying your rent. That means if you save money in this account, that money you keep there, you can be saving it like regularly in so amount of days or so amount of weeks or months. I'll be saving so amount, and that money that is there, so far as that money is there in your Opay account, your Opay accommodation account, you can be getting daily returns from that money. So let's go back and check other things. Education for example, let's click on it and it's the same thing. Don't be late on tuition and other school expenses. Save now and earn more. That means you can save money on this account also, and you not be late, because when you save money here for that purpose, whenever that need comes up, you can go there to withdraw that money and use it for that. And look at what it says there at the bottom of this page. Attractive returns. Earn up to 15% annual interest on your savings target. So let's go back and calculate how much you can earn anytime you save money in any of these accounts. Go back once again. Let's click on Owealth and look at what it looks like. So now let's calculate how much you can earn. It says up to 15% annual interest. It says interest and returns. Earn up to 15% annual interest. For balances of 100,000 and below, your daily return will be calculated at 15% annual interest rate, while for balances over 100,000, the first 100,000 will be calculated at 15% interest rate, while the balance will be calculated at 11% annual interest. So let's calculate how much you can earn on any amount you deposit on this account, on the Owealth investment account on Opay. So click on invest at the bottom of the page here, and it will bring up a page that looks like this. So let's check it out. So if you invest 10,000 naira on Owealth, you'll be getting 3 naira 44 kobo every day. You'll be getting 103 naira 98 kobo every month, and you'll be getting 1,350 naira every year. How about you invest 100,000? That will be 34 naira 46 kobo every day, 1,039 naira every month, and 13,500 at the end of the year. How about you make it 1 million naira? 1 million will earn you 142 naira 74 kobo every day. Every 30 days, every month, you'll be getting 4,294 naira, and every year you'll be getting 54,000 naira on this amount of money, on 1 million naira in your Owealth savings. That means the higher amount of money you save on this account, the higher interest you'll be getting. So make sure you save your money on the Opay, because you leave your money in the bank, you will not be getting this interest on it. So save your money in Opay and make this amazing interest returns on it every day, every week, every month, and every year, so far as that money remains in your Opay account. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'm going to show you a code, an invitation code, that if you haven't registered an Opay account, use this invitation code to register your Opay account, and Opay will give you extra 1,200 naira welcome bonus. So let me show you what that looks like.